everyone, welcome back to my channel Mission. In this video, we are going to present a project on appliances control using Google Assistant. Suppose you are in a market and forgot to switch off the light. Now what will you do? Just open Google Assistant and say, please turn off the light. Google Assistant will turn off the light in your room. We can not only control light but also fridge, TV, motor, fan and anything from everywhere in the world where internet is available. So to make this project, let's get started. You need a Raspberry Pi 4 or 4 GB RAM. It should be connected with USB lead and HDMI port. And mouse and keyboard. Suppose you are in a market with this tab or mobile and forgot to turn off the light. Now what you will do? Just open Google Assistant and say turn off the light. You can see light is turned off, and to turn on you can only say turn on the light. You can see light is turned on. Open browser and search adafruit. Open it and make an account. I already made it, so I will just log in. Now go to dashboard. Select view all and click on new dashboard. Provide it name and description. I will give it name light control. And same description. Now click on create. Once you have made it, click on your dashboard. Now here you will see a setting option. Click on it and choose create new block. Click on the first one which shows toggle. Create your feed name. I am using light. Now click on create. Select it and click on next step. Give it a title. I am giving it light control and click on create block. Now in order to connect Adafruit with Google Assistant, you have to create an account on ifttt. Now open ifttt.com. Just search ifttt.com. Create an account. I have already made it. After making an account, now click on create. Click on if this. Search for Google Assistant. Click on say a simple phrase. Type what do you want to say to Google Assistant. Let's say turn on the light. Another one, it's optional. Now type what assistant will say you. Now choose then that. Select Adafruit. Select send data to adafruit.io and log in ifttt. I have already done, so I will just choose the feed name, So select a feed name which I have created. I am choosing lights because I have created light here. Then what data adafruit will be sent? So we will write on in capital letters because we have to on the light, and click on create action. Then click on continue and select finish. Now create same to off the light. I am fast forwarding it. Boot your Raspberry Pi 4 and create a Python file in it and install adafruit IO library. So just write sudo pip3 install adafruit.io. Hit enter. I've already installed it, so I will not. And here just change your adafruit IO key, username and feed ID. In my case I have named my feed lights, so I have only written light, and your username should be here and adafruit IO key here. Just then run the code. Turn off the light. You can see light is turned off, and to turn on you can only say turn on the light. You can see light is turned on. If you find this video helpful, then you can like and subscribe my channel and share this video, and also comment your thoughts on this. Thank you.